machine is made for one mode with a blue painting. Create a simple and fashion appearance. It composed of the X-ray monoblock, cassettes, and control console. The output power is 6.2 kW and inverter frequency is 80 kHz. I want to emphasize that our exclusive technology, the solid-state, quasi-resonant, high-frequency, high-voltage generator. We are the first factory who can apply this kind of technology in China. Compared to the traditional oil tank generator, it has great performance of smaller volume, lighter weight, and longer life. X-ray tube is from Italy IAE. As a regular importer of IAE, we always have class 1 quality of supplying. The dual anodes is 0.1 and 0.3 mm. The rotation speed is 10,000 per minute. Heat capacity is 225 kJ. This advanced X-ray tube allows the machines to work for a longer time, especially in the hospital with a busy reception. Of course, we also have an optional self-developed X-ray tube for your choices. This is the X-ray cover to cut off the head imaging to be acquired into radiography. This is the cassette to receive the X-ray with films and intensifying screen inside. We provide two sizes of cassette holder in case you need the converter to meet various sizes of memory glands, like this. This one is big size film and intensifying screen inside. And if you need a smaller size to take a radiography for the smaller one memory gland, you need first to take out the big size cassette. And then you need a combination of converter and smaller cassette. This one is converter and this one is cassette, smaller. And to put it into the X-ray cassette holder. Control console is tailored for doctors' convenience in a distance operation, and also it prevents doctors from the radiation somehow. Okay, next let's look at the operation and movement of the machine. First, you need to plug in the machine here and put the power here. When you hear a sound of beeping on power up and see 3 LCD screens on, and that means the machine is ready to work. There are 2 panels on both sides of the frame to control the C-arm movement. It shows the angles of rotation, includes one lateral position by minus and plus 45 degrees. And isocentric rotation minus and plus 90 degrees. And one button reset. Various people are different in height. There are also 2 buttons to control the electric up and down of the C-arm by 516 millimeters. The machine is also equipped with dual foot brakes to control the C-arm for doctor's operation. This one is for down, and this one is for up. There are 2 panels on the C-arm to control the movement of the compressor. We have core technology of 3-segment compression, which enable patients to have comfortable experience of examination. It works like this. First, you put the memory gland on here and click the button here to move the compressor. At first beginning, the compressor will move down at high speed. When about to touch the memory gland, it will slow down continuously and automatically. in 3 segments with different pressure. It has greatly palliated the sufferings of patients. And also, doctors can get to know how much pressure and thickness can patients endure through the LCD screens on the upper and lower parts of the frame. Includes MAS, KV, thickness of memory glands, and also real-time pressure. Same time, for the doctor's convenience operation, there are also dual flow brake to control the compressor down and up. Exposure hand switch is fixed on the control console, where doctors are also supported to adjust MAS and KV here through this 8-inch LCD user interface. By the way, engineers are able to turn the page to adjust the focus and also anything for self-checking and error codes alarming. Besides, for self-protection, we set up 3 red emergency buttons on here and also both sides of the frame to turn off the machine only when it's out of order suddenly. Finally, this machine MA9800D is able to upgrade to the computed radiography and also directed digital radiography.